Welcome to Pulkit Health and Fitness, the sanctuary where fitness dreams turn into reality. Today, we're not just stepping up our game, we're leaping into a world where only the brave dare to tread, the exhilarating domain of advanced exercise variations. For those who find solace in the rhythm of their heartbeat and the melody of clanging weights, this is your call to arms. We're about to embark on a journey that will redefine the very essence of each muscle contraction. These variations are not for the faint of heart. They are for the warriors who seek to conquer their former selves. Imagine taking the exercises you've mastered and twisting them into a challenge that beckons the strength you never knew you had. We'll take the push-up and morph it into an explosive display of power, the squat into a ballet of balance and force, and the pull-up into a test of wills between you and gravity. As we navigate through this odyssey of strength, remember that every drop of sweat writes a new chapter in your story of resilience. This is where you transform, where you evolve, where you become the epitome of the phrases surpassing limits. So, to all the titans of the gym, the gladiators of the weight room, and the champions of endurance, welcome to a new era of fitness. And to those who are joining us for the first time, prepare to witness a spectacle of physical prowess like never before. And there you have it, folks. If this glimpse into the future of fitness has ignited a fire within you, make sure to like and subscribe for more groundbreaking content. Together, let's sculpt a legacy of strength and vitality. Until next time, stay fierce and unyielding in your pursuit of greatness.